guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to speak about the verb was or were in Arabic language. First of all, this video or these videos, it's going to be parts. So this is the part 1 video about the can, which is was or were in Arabic language. So let's start by it, and let me just remind you of how we conjugate this can in the present tense and also in the past tense. These videos are all about the Levantine dialect, so it's not about the standard Arabic. I will definitely do a standard Arabic video about these, but first I will start with the Levantine dialect. So it's dialect videos, Levantine dialect videos. Pay attention. So let's start, and let me remind you first of how we conjugate this verb, which is the can, was, or were, or is in the present tense first, is or are, in the present tense, or of course, and in the past tense with was and were. So let's start by the present tense. The present tense is أنا بكون أنا بكون بكون هو بيكون بيكون هي بتكون بتكون هن بيكونوا نحنا منكون or بنكون انت بتكون انتي بتكوني انتو بتكونوا, all of you. So this is all about the present tense. Now let's see this exact verb in the past tense, which is were or was. أنا كنت أنا كنت هو كان هي كانت هن كانوا نحنا كنا أنت كنت أنتي كنتي أنتو كنتوا. So this is all about the conjugations and how we do it. Now let's start by the very first part of the videos, which is how to say it was beautiful, it was nice, it was big, there was something, etc. So let's start by this. We would say, for example, the house was beautiful. We would just say in the dialect again. So this is the Levantine dialect. In the dialect again, we would say كان البيت حلو. كان was البيت, the house, and then حلو, nice, beautiful. Or you can say البيت, the house, كان was حلو, nice or beautiful. You can use both ways, it's fine. We don't really care when it comes to the dialect, when it comes to the Levantine dialect. We don't care where is can. You can put it at the beginning, you can put it in the middle of the sentence. كان البيت حلو or البيت كان حلو. This is how would you say the house was beautiful. This can will change according to the conjugation, according to the female male you are speaking about. We know we have feminine materials and we have masculine materials. We have feminine things and we have masculine things. So Arabic is a gender language. So for example, if you wanted to say, the library was good. The library was good, was nice, was good, was big, was whatever. So you would say, المكتبة, the library, المكتبة كانت. Why كانت? Because you are saying she was, the مكتبة is she was. المكتبة كانت حلوة. It was beautiful. She was beautiful in Arabic because it's a gender language. So المكتبة كانت حلوة, or you can say كانت المكتبة حلوة. So this is the first part of these videos, which are going to speak about all about can and kun, was, is, was, and all of its conjugations. So this is the very first part of these videos. Comment if you like it, comment below if you like it, tell me if you have any questions, and wait for the next videos. It's going to be 4 parts of these videos, or maybe 5, of these videos so you can always know how to use this can or kun in the Levantine language. It's really getting more difficult, so pay attention, and this is the very beginning. You will see me in next videos. Don't forget to share with your friends, share it with your friends, and tell me if you have any questions or concerns to the page messages or on YouTube or on the comments below. Don't forget to comment if you like it and don't like it, and hit the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to have all of these parts on YouTube. It's not going to be all of it on Facebook. So have fun, guys, and please stay away from the coronavirus, and see you later. Bye bye.